Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Conversation. I'm John, and I'm excited to help you master English today.
And I'm Olivia. Today we're tackling two words that cause endless confusion for learners, either and neither.
These words are tricky because they have multiple uses, different pronunciations, and follow special grammar rules that seem counterintuitive.
By the end of this episode, you will understand exactly when to use either, when to use neither, and how to use them correctly in every situation.
Before we start, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation. We break down confusing English topics and make them simple with clear explanations.
Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our helpful lessons. Understanding these words is essential for natural English.
All right, let's dive in. First, what's the basic relationship between either and neither?
Here's the simple core idea. Either is positive or neutral. Neither is negative. They're opposites.
Either means one or the other of two options. Neither means not one and not the other. Both are excluded.
Think of either as presenting two possibilities. Think of neither as rejecting both possibilities.
That's the foundation. Now let's explore all the different ways we use these words.
Let's start with either. This word has several important uses.
Use number 1, presenting two choices or alternatives.
You can have either tea or coffee. Two options, choose one, not both.
Either John or Mary will come. One of them will come, not both, not neither.
We can go either today or tomorrow. Two time options, choose one.
Structure, either or. This connects two alternatives or choices.
Use number 2, either meaning both or each of two.
There are trees on either side of the road, both sides, left and right.
You can sit in either chair. Both chairs are acceptable options.
Either option works for me. Both options are fine. I'm flexible.
This use means both things apply or both are acceptable.
Use number 3, either at the end of negative sentences meaning also or too.
I don't like coffee. I don't like it either, meaning I also don't like coffee.
She can't swim. He can't swim either, meaning he also can't swim.
They're not coming. We're not coming either, meaning we also aren't coming.
This either is like to or also, but specifically in negative sentences.
Now let's explore neither, the negative counterpart.
Use number 1, rejecting both of two options.
Neither tea nor coffee is available. Both are unavailable. You can't have either one.
Neither John nor Mary came. Both failed to come. Not one, not the other.
I like neither option. I dislike both options. I don't like this one or that one.
Structure, neither nor. This rejects both alternatives.
Use number 2, neither as a short answer, rejecting both options.
Do you want tea or coffee? Neither, thanks. I'm not very hungry.
I'm not hungry either.
Neither alone means not one and not the other. Use number 3, neither at the beginning of a sentence agreeing with a negative.
I don't like coffee. Neither do I, meaning I also don't like coffee.
She can't swim. Neither can he, meaning he also can't swim.
They're not coming. We're not coming either, meaning we also aren't coming.
This neither is like either at the end, but neither starts the sentence and requires special word order.
Now let's compare either and neither directly to see the difference.
Presenting choice. You can choose either option. Positive. Both are available. Choose one.
Rejecting both. I want neither option. Negative. Both are rejected. I want none of them.
Agreement with negative using either at the end. I don't like it. I don't like it either.
Agreement with neither. Start. I don't like it. Neither do I.
With or, either John or Mary will help. One of them will help.
With nor, neither John nor Mary will help. Both refuse to help. No help from either.
See the pattern? Either is about having options. Neither is about rejecting both.
Now let's discuss pronunciation. This confuses many learners.
Either has two acceptable pronunciations in English.
American English usually either sounds like E as in C.
British English usually either sounds like I.
Both pronunciations are completely correct. Use whichever feels natural for your accent.
Neither also has two acceptable pronunciations.
American English usually neither sounds like knee.
British English usually neither sounds like nigh.
Again, both are correct. Choose based on your English variety.
Now let's look at the grammar rules for either and neither. This is important.
With either or and neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearest subject.
Either John or his friends are coming. Friends is nearest and plural, so are.
Either his friends or John is coming. John is nearest and singular, so is.
Neither the students nor the teacher is here. Teacher is nearest and singular, so is.
Neither the teacher nor the students are here. Students is nearest and plural, so are.
This is called the proximity rule. The verb matches the nearest subject.
When neither starts a sentence in agreement, the word order is inverted, like a question.
I don't like coffee. Neither do I. Not neither I do. The auxiliary comes before the subject.
She can't swim. Neither can he. Not neither he can. The auxiliary before subject.
They didn't come. Neither did we. Not neither we did. The auxiliary before the subject.
This inversion is mandatory. It follows question order, auxiliary plus subject.
Now let's tackle common mistakes learners make with either and neither.
Mistake number 1, using neither with or either with nor.
Wrong. Neither John or Mary came. Right. Neither John nor Mary came.
Wrong. Either John nor Mary came. Right. Either John or Mary came.
Either pairs with or. Neither pairs with nor. Don't mix them.
Mistake number 2, forgetting inversion with neither at the start.
Wrong. Neither I do. Right. Neither do I.
Wrong. Neither she can. Right. Neither can she.
Remember the inversion. It must follow question order.
Mistake number 3, using not either instead of neither.
Awkward. I don't like not either option. Right. I don't like either option, or I like neither option.
Double negatives with not and neither create confusion. Choose one.
Mistake number 4. Wrong verb agreement with either or and neither nor.
Wrong. Either the cats or the dog are barking. Right. Either the cat or the dog is barking.
The verb matches dog, the nearest subject, singular.
Mistake number 5, using either at the end of positive sentences.
Wrong. I like it either. Right. I like it too.
Either at the end only works in negative sentences. Positive uses to or also.
Let's practice with real-life conversation scenarios.
Scenario 1, making plans. Should we meet on Monday or Tuesday? Either day works for me. Great, I can't do Wednesday. Neither can I.
Either day means both days acceptable. Neither can I means I also can't do Wednesday. Agreement with negative.
Scenario 2, at a restaurant. Would you like soup or salad? Neither, thanks. I'm not very hungry. I'm not hungry either.
Neither means rejecting both. Not hungry either means also not hungry, using either at end.
Do you prefer movies or books?
I enjoy either one. I like both. I don't have a preference either.
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 Either one means both are good. Don't have preference either means also no preference. Either at end of negative.
Can we go to Paris or Rome?
I've been to neither city. Neither have I. Let's choose either destination. Neither city means haven't been to either one. Both rejected. Neither have I means I also haven't. Inverted agreement. Either destination means both are acceptable choices.
These scenarios show all the different uses in natural conversation.
Let's discuss either and neither as pronouns standing alone.
Either as a pronoun means one or the other.
There are two options. Either is fine with me. Either option works.
I have 2 pens. You can use either. You can use one or the other.
Neither as a pronoun means not one and not the other.
There are 2 options. Neither appeals to me. I don't like either one.
I tried both solutions. Neither worked. Both solutions failed.
As pronouns, they stand alone without naming the noun.
Now let's look at either way and neither here nor there, common expressions.
Either way means regardless of which option is chosen or in any case.
You can drive or take the train. Either way, you'll arrive on time. Both methods work.
I might go or stay home. Either way, I'll be happy. Both choices are acceptable to me.
Neither here nor there means not relevant or beside the point.
That's neither here nor there. That point is irrelevant to the discussion.
These are idiomatic expressions. Memorize them as complete phrases.
Let's discuss combining either and neither with other negatives.
Be careful with double negatives. They can create confusion or opposite meanings.
I don't like neither option has double negative. Don't plus neither.
Better, I don't like either option, or I like neither option. One negative, not two.
She can't do neither task. Double negative.
Better, she can't do either task, or she can do neither task. In formal English, avoid double negatives. Use one negative form.
Now let's look at either and neither in different tenses.
Present, either option is good. Neither option is good.
Past, either choice was acceptable. Neither choice was acceptable.
Future, either plan will work. Neither plan will work.
Present perfect, either solution has worked before. Neither solution has worked.
The concepts stay the same across tenses, just the verb tenses change.
Let's discuss emphasis, how to stress either and neither.
Stressing either emphasizes that both options are truly acceptable.
You can have either one. Really, both are fine. I'm not picky.
Stressing neither emphasizes strong rejection of both.
I want neither of them. Absolutely neither one. Strong refusal.
Emphasis adds emotional weight to the meaning.
Here are memory tricks to remember the difference.
Trick 1. Either equals E for enable. It enables choice between options, positive.
Trick 2. Neither equals N for no. It says no to both options, negative.
Trick 3. Either or, both positive. Neither nor, both negative. Match the feeling.
Trick 4. Either at the end. When either goes at sentence end, the sentence is negative.
I don't like it either. Negative sentence, either at end.
Trick 5. Neither needs inversion. When neither starts a response, invert word order like a question.
Here are practical tips to mastering either and neither.
Tip 1. Learn the pairings, either or and neither nor. Don't mix them.
Tip 2. Practice the inversion with neither. Say it out loud. Neither do I. Neither can she. Neither did we.
Tip 3. Remember either at the end only works in negatives. Positive sentences use to or also.
Tip 4. When in doubt about verb agreement, match the verb to the nearest subject with either or and neither nor.
Tip 5. Listen to native speakers. Notice when they use either versus neither in movies and shows.
Tip 6. Start with the basic uses, choices, either or, and rejections, neither nor, before worrying about complex uses.
Tip 7. Practice agreement responses. Positive, so do I. Negative, neither do I, or I don't either.
Tip 8. Don't stress about pronunciation. Both either and either are correct. Choose one and use it consistently.
Let's create practice exercises to test understanding.
Fill in either or neither. I don't like blank option. Answer: either. Negative sentence, meaning I don't like this one or that one.
Fill in I like blank option. Answer neither. I reject both options.
Fill in blank John, blank Mary came. Answer neither nor. Both failed to come.
Fill in blank tea blank coffee is fine. Answer either or. Both drinks acceptable.
Fill in I can't swim, I can't swim. Answer either. Also can't swim, either at end.
Fill in I can't swim. Blank can I. Answer neither. Also can't swim. Neither at the start with inversion.
Fill in blank the students, blank the teacher is here. Answer neither nor. Both absent.
Fill in blank of the two options works for me. Answer either. Both options acceptable.
These exercises help you internalize the patterns.
Let's discuss either and neither with more than two options.
Technically, either and neither are for exactly two options.
For three or more, use any instead of either. For rejecting three or more, use none instead of neither.
However, in casual speech, people sometimes use either loosely, but knowing the rule helps.
Let's look at written versus spoken differences.
In writing, either or and neither nor are more common for clarity.
In speech, we often simplify, I don't want this or that, instead of I want neither this or that.
Both convey the same meaning, but spoken English tends towards simpler structures.
Let's do a comprehensive summary of everything we've covered.
Either is positive or neutral, presenting choices. Neither is negative, rejecting both options.
Either or offers two alternatives. Neither nor rejects both alternatives.
Either can mean both are acceptable in some contexts. I can meet either day.
Either at the end of negative sentences means also or too. I don't like it either.
Neither at the start of responses means also not with inverted word order. Neither do I.
Pronunciation either, either, and neither, neither. Both are acceptable.
Verb agreement. Match the verb to the nearest subject with either or and neither nor.
Common mistakes, wrong pairings, either nor or neither or, forgetting inversion, double negatives, using either at the end of positives.
Either pairs with or. Neither pairs with nor. Never mix.
Inversion with neither at the start is mandatory. Neither do I, not neither I do.
Memory tricks. Either equals enable choice. Neither equals no to both. Either or positive. Neither nor negative.
Before we finish, this is crucial. Please subscribe to Daily English Conversation.
We create clear, practical grammar lessons every week to help you speak English naturally and correctly.
Subscribe now so you never miss an episode. Share this with anyone learning English.
Leave us a comment using both either and neither in sentences. Practice makes perfect.
Challenge yourself. Today, try using either or in one sentence and neither nor in another.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope either and neither are crystal clear now.
Remember, these words follow specific rules, but once you understand the patterns, they become natural.
Keep practicing, keep learning, keep improving.
This has been Daily English Conversation. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next episode.